Yiba Kids. Hi! I'm really glad you're here. I know step 14 is a bit hard, but then again, you're here. Don't worry, this is much easier. We're now at a train station. We'll learn to read the word train, and more here. We're going to read words with A and I close to each other. You just have to read it like A. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. Air. Air. Hair. Hair. Pear. Pear. Pale. Pale. Male. Male. Nail. Nail. Rail. Rail. Sail. Sail. Tail. Tail. Rain. Rain. Pain. Pain. Paint. Paint. Plain. Plain. Plain means not decorated, simple or ordinary in character. I used a shirt as an example. You see the white t-shirt, it is plain because it doesn't have any design, while the other one has a lot of design. This word is often used to describe simple things. I hope I did explain well to you. Plain. Brain. Brain. Drain. Drain. Grain. Grain. Let me give you a simple definition of grain. Grain means a single fruit or seed of a cereal. The most important raw material in any breakfast cereal is grain. The grains most commonly used are corn, wheat, oats, rice, and barley. See the picture? I know you love eating this. Cereals. Chair. Chair. Chain. Chain. Snail. Snail. Stare. Stare. Train. Train. Wait. Wait. Fail. Fail. Fail means unsuccessful in achieving one's goal. Or not successful. See the picture, he dreamed of winning but he lost. So he failed. We are learning a lot. I'm happy to share this word to you. What did I tell you? Compared to step 14, it was really easy, right? We've learned a lot of words with 2 vowels already, with just only 4 steps. Let's go and recall by reading sentences level 2. Video link is in the description.